I am Jennifer and I'm so happy you're here today because today I am going to be making some wonderful, super easy, super delicious pecan bars. This collaboration is hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle, Jean Home Decor and More, Debbie Bubbles, and Jennifer at Home. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Let me show you how easy this recipe is together. First of all, we're going to take a 16.5 ounce block of cookie dough or a log of cookie dough, and we're going to spread it in the bottom of a baking pan. I've let this cookie dough sit out for a little while so that it can soften up and it won't be too firm to press into the pan. This cookie dough is going to be our crust. Just flatten it down the best you can and make it as even as possible. You can use sugar cookies or any type of cookies you want for this recipe. I chose to use chocolate chip because I love pecan pie with chocolate in it. I have my cookie dough all spread out in this 9 by 13 inch pan. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to put this cookie dough in and bake it for about 20 minutes. Now that our crust is baking in the oven, let's go ahead and mix up the ingredients for the filling of these wonderful pecan pie bars. I have 2 eggs here and I'm just going to mix these up. And then I'll start adding the rest of our ingredients. I have vanilla, and this full recipe will be listed below so you can easily find it. Melted butter, baking soda, salt, flour, brown sugar, and I have my pecans ready to go. We're going to add about 2 cups. It always is less expensive to buy the pecans in the baking aisle in small pieces. And then we'll get this mixed up. I personally like the way that these are in little pieces, and when they're spread out in a pie or in a cookie bar, they make a really nice topping that goes all the way across. You don't get a really big piece. You just get a nice little morsel. And it's all mixed in just like this. Our cookie dough was in for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. And now I'm going to take this wonderful filling and I'm going to just pour it right over the top of the hot cookie dough right out of the oven. Once you put it on, go ahead and spread it out into a really nice even layer. Spread it right to the edge of the pan. Once you get this all smoothed out and ready, it's time to put it back in the oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. We'll let these pecan bars cool in the pan for at least 2 hours before cutting. I'm going to set mine in the refrigerator after they're cooled, just to make sure they're good and set before I start cutting them. And here's how the wonderful pecan pie bars look after they're cooled and cut. They're so delicious. I hope you give these pecan bars a try and realize just how easy and how delicious they are. They're perfect for New Year's and of course for the Super Bowl. I would be so happy if you hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.